Hey guys, it's KSJ. Today was, well, it's KSJ with something new today. I keep on messing the intro up. Anyways, so I installed this. You saw in a previous video, I installed this. And what happened, the water was just coming out so slow. And it wasn't like really shooting out. Did some reviews, or did some checking, and reviews show that this particular one, and a lot of them, they have like reducers in there. So there's this little, little plastic piece that's like a reducer. So here's basically what you do. So as soon as you unscrew it, you have this rubber, this rubber grommet in there. We take that out. So you take it out, you have this blue. Now I already drilled this out actually. So I drilled this out, and that basically created a hole. Well, then I realized when you really look in there, I don't know if you see, but this basically, I haven't cleaned it out yet, but you can see some chunks in there still. But basically, when you drill this out, now you see how the metal shavings? Because what happened was that even though I drilled this out, I hooked it back up, and it still was like coming out better, but not as well. So what I then did was I took another drill. Where's that? I don't even know. I took another, I don't know. Okay. Oh, here it is. I took another drill bit. This one, I'm not sure the size, but, yeah, I'm not sure the size of it really, but, just to kind of give you an idea. So, I don't know what size this is, honestly. But I took another drill bit, half the size of a thumb, maybe, half of a thumb size. Took another drill bit, and I drilled this out in the middle here. And just to kind of give you an idea, like literally the hole that the water was going into was like this size. So pretty darn near to the hole of this grommet. So now it went from the hole of this grommet to, or this, this rubber washer here, to that. So it is different. You can't really tell holding the camera here with one hand. But anyways, I drilled this out. I'm going to clean. Let's basically take this, I already got this set up. I'm going to take this out, or spray this out. And I'm going to hook it up, and let's see how it works. So we'll see if that actually works. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, sprayed that out pretty good. Now I'm going to put it back in my shower. Let's check it out. All right, guys, so just to show you, hooked everything up. And this is where it used to be. So that's kind of what it used to be. Here's where it's at now. So that's the difference now. And we have never seen it act like this. So that definitely works. This is another little hack there for you guys. Yeah, glad you liked it. Hope you like this. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. See you guys later.